everybody, how's it going? So just a real quick one here. Just want to give you guys an update what's going on. As you know, I released that video with Adam Steele the other day. We were talking about his brand new Ultimate Reaper course. And I got to say, I'm just completely blown away by the community response we've got. Actually, a more accurate term would be, I am utterly shocked. I had no idea that so many of you guys use Reaper and needed an awesome course. So what's great is I sat down with Adam. We talked about a few of the cool new features in Reaper 6. I had a problem there a couple weeks ago where it was running really slow display-wise anyway on the Mac, and I upgraded to version 6, and that problem is gone. And Reaper 6 has got some really cool features where you can drop the plugins right into your channel strip. Like if I activate this here and click on this, Show Embedded UI and MCP, we get an equalizer right on the channel itself. That's fantastic. I haven't seen anything like that since the new version of Cubase. But here's where it gets really cool. If we move that up to TCP, we get to control it right here. And I'm actually live recording this, so I don't get a waveform display, but if I was just doing straight playback, I'd get a waveform display and I can make all kinds of changes. All this is really easily controllable, and there seems to be absolutely, oh, that's really cool. That's a new function too. Look at that. I can expand and collapse that just with an Alt and mouse wheel. That's kind of freaking awesome. Anyway, I want to give you guys a heads up. The Ultimate Reaper course is still on sale till midnight Pacific time tonight. So by the time this episode airs, that'll give you about 9 hours to get it. It's going for only $97. It's a 9-hour course, and Adam takes you through everything you'd ever want to know to do a project in Reaper, from all the bare bones basics to tracking and mixing a song, and shows you the editing system, everything. It is simply the most awesome lesson you're ever going to see for Reaper that is out there today. I'd highly recommend checking it out because unfortunately the sale isn't going to last for very much longer. As for myself, I'm going to dive more into Reaper's capabilities because I really like what I'm seeing with the new version, and I want to share some of that with you guys. So I think I'm going to start doing a weekly Reaper tutorial series. We're going to start that on Tuesdays. Now, if you guys have questions about the type of Reaper tutorials you would like to see, please leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Keep those comments and questions coming. And if you want to grab the Ultimate Reaper tutorial, better grab it soon because it's not going to be on sale for much longer.